Lynn, more squirt on that turquoise.
Wait, you come in here. Sugar.
What comes this?
You're gonna do this one?
Oh, come on, sugar. Come on, sugar.
Yeah? Yeah, come back, come over to that side. I'm just filming a video.
Come on.
Lynn will help you.
Is the video alright? Open the window.
What's that?
Open the window. Spray your toes. Open the window.
Always make you sit
Stop there, yeah? Just stay there and I'll give you a seat. You can take those bags off right.
What are you guys doing? I'm shooting a video. You guys painting with your feet?
Hey, man.
Okay. Whew. Get more pink.
I'm sorry.
I can take my shirt off and do a slide.
Hey, you're such a mean. Okay.
You pass me that chair.
But yo.